Give him access there. Wait, Libya. Give him access. Give him access.
I heard what happened this morning, and honestly, I was really bitter that such a thing will be happening in this jet age. I mean, somebody breaking into the girls' hostel to go and molest girls. So I felt very bad about it, and I said, I will not just send the police, my aides to come and check, that I will come myself to see and assess the situation. So I'm here to see for myself. Let me assure you that we must get the culprits. We must get them. And I'm sure they are not people outside. They are also students here. It is students here. Nobody from outside can come in here and penetrate from this hole. So we are going to get them. That is my own promise to you. For those students that are victims, I will make sure that they get the required medical attention. So please, just no problem. We are going to make sure it doesn't repeat itself. And I will also liaise with the school authority to improve on your security situation.